Hey guys, Rob from ClicksGeek. Today I want to run through a case study for a mold removal company. Okay, this is on the East Coast, and really great results here because these are big ticket jobs. This is not like bathroom mold tile stuff. This is like you got to tear down walls and you got to disinfect everything and hazmat suits, the whole nine. All right, so he's spending about 200 a day. And also, one quick thing, we're going back January 1st to January 31st, so this is 30 days. Spending about 200 a day, 185 clicks, 4,600 impressions, 3.9% click-through rate, $26 average cost per click. He spent in that month about $4,800. He got 46 mold removal and remediation leads at about $100 a lead. 24% conversion rate, right on target where we want to be between 20 and 25. So this is a little bit on the higher side, and that conversion rate came with mobile traffic. Actually, we tweaked and tuned the page to be more click to call type stuff with mobile traffic, and all of the keywords are about mold removal, mold remediation, water damage, mold, stuff like that. So these are people who had basically a catastrophic loss with flooding or something like that, and then mold grew in their house and they have to get it removed. And that's pretty much what the whole campaign is geared around. The landing page is very tightly click to call type stuff. Since we're only pushing mobile traffic, I really only designed the landing page to be for mobile. So it kind of looks a little goofy in desktop, but there's no desktop traffic going to it, so it's kind of relevant. Just lots of CTAs about click to call buttons and stuff like that, and get a free estimate, get a free quote for the mold removal. The contact form, I think this campaign only had a few contact forms, so it's mostly all phone calls. But the contact form is still name, email, phone. Tell us about your issue, and then it was like best time to call or something like that. So that's pretty much the landing page. They had a couple of reviews on it. But again, the most important thing to take away from this is that the mobile traffic is hot for this niche. So make sure if you're going to be running mold removal, mold remediation campaigns, that you're doing mobile traffic. So the budget is obviously very healthy. He wanted to spend. He's got money to spend. 200 a day. I'm happy with that. You don't need 200 a day to run in this space. The average cost per click is $26, but it's definitely very high. But you could easily still do very well with $100 a day budget. So if you guys have any questions about this campaign or this niche or anything like that, drop them in the comments below this video. If you're interested in us running this type of mold removal remediation campaign for you, for your company, or for a client you have, just reach out today at our website, clicksgeek.com, and we can talk about rolling this campaign out in your location. Other than that, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because we're going to be doing case studies in literally dozens and dozens of niches. I'm just doing these every day now, so they're going to see a lot of really cool stuff coming down the pipeline.